So if you're a student, entrepreneur, or employee, uh, if you want to maximize your focus, concentration, memory recall, learning, retention, output, your exercise performance, creativity, and different other parameters related to your work, then there is a company called Nootopia which offers several formulas which you can use to maximize your performance in different areas. Now, if you would like to know more about Nootopia and how people use it and what kind of effects they experience, you can also go to YouTube and type things like Nootopia review, and you will find a lot of videos where the person who has gone through this experience for 30 days or more than that, and they will share with you what they actually experience. Now, this is true, especially if you actually want to see that what kind of things they experience, what kind of challenges they face, and what is their verdict. Now, you may not have the same experience with this supplement or same experiences, but with the technology that I'm going to show you, you can actually take advantage of that technology to activate all the supplements from Nootopia and get the effects of it without actually having to pay for it. So let's go through some of their formulas one by one. Now, if you go to the website, you will see that they market this supplement as real life limitless pill, as you have seen in the movie Limitless. So in the movie it is called NZT. Here they have different names for it. So let's go through some of their formulas. So they have basically 9 formulas. You can also see the description and what it does for you. One of them is Power Solution. It is for elevated mood, mental clarity. You will see the ingredient list here. Then there's something called Upbit. It's good for confidence, ambition, positivity. Again, you will see description. There's a formula called Apex. Then there's a formula called Ultimate Focus, Nectar X, Brain Flow, Mental Reboot AM, and Mental Reboot PM. Now, if you actually want to buy this supplement, you should do your due diligence first. Uh, and if you think it is the right formula for you, you should consider buying it. But if you don't want to buy it or you cannot afford it, then you can use the field activator technology to actually get the effects of it. Now, first, let's understand that how much does it cost if you actually want to buy the formula. So there are different combination like world domination, focus, ferocity, brilliance on demand, and the 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 first one costs you $297 per month. The second one costs you around $225 per month, and the third one costs you around $77 per month. And this is for subscription costs. If you actually want to buy it just once, it will cost it even more. And you will see a lot of testimonials, glowing testimonials from a lot of experts. You can also get to download their booklet, which is called Brilliant Mind Blueprint, where they tell you how to actually use these formulas or how to use a combination of formulas to optimize the results. But if you don't want to use that, if you just want to get the effects of the formula without actually buying any of them, you should use the technology called Field Activator. So basically, what you do is you use the commands like activate field manager, activate field optimizer, and then you use the command activate Amazon Marketplace Emulator, and then you go down to this. Now, uh, if you don't know how to combine different formulas, you don't know which formulas to use when, and you don't have time to combine these formulas, you can use this command to kind of get maximum effects out of all the formulas without having to worry about what kind of bad effects it will cause. So basically, you activate all the formulas: activate Nootopia Power Solution, Nootopia Upbit, Nootopia Apex, Ultimate Focus, Nectar X, Brain Flow, Mental Reboot AM, Mental Reboot PM, Xamner Juice, and you activate all of them. But at the end, you say that activate only parts or ingredients of the supplement which will give you this effect. So you just list down the effects that you want to have, like all the energy without jitters and crashes, uh, gives me maximum mental clarity and concentration, gives me elevated mood, positivity, insane mental stamina that feels limitless, more ambition, focus, boosts neurogenesis, help me with learning faster, and retaining new information, help me wake up feeling refreshed. So you see all of that, activate only parts or ingredients in this formula which will help you to achieve those effects and eliminate rest of the ingredients and effects. So basically you are kind of getting rid of all the things that you don't want out of these supplements, and you don't have to worry about the side effects, and you just use this command. Now you can change what kind of effect you want to have. You might not want to have the elevated mood or positivity, you might want to have something else. Now if some of the ingredients in this formula actually give you those effects, you're going to have that effect. You cannot just say anything here. You just need to know that what kind of effects are possible with this formula, and use those effects, and eliminate ingredients or the effects which you don't want to have. Now they also have another product called Nootopia Sleep System. You will get more information about the system here. Uh, so you can just go through the page, and they will list out many other supplements that you can use along with this formula to kind of optimize your sleep. So basically, it costs around $129 or close to that, with free shipping in US. Now, again, if you don't want to buy it, you can use the commands that I just gave you: activate field manager, activate field optimizer, activate Amazon Marketplace emulator, and you can say that activate Nootopia Ultimate Sleep System only for the purpose of knocking me out for maybe 6 or 7 hours and giving me deep, restful sleep and letting me wake up rejuvenated, refresh, and eliminate rest of the effects. Now, you will see the same effects of this formula when you use it just before the sleep. So this is how you can actually use field activator technology to get all these effects without actually having to pay for it. Now, if you want to get more information on field activator technology, you just check this thing and scan the barcode or check the link at the bottom, so that you can read more information about this technology and actually see if this technology is something you can use to activate a lot of supplements and save huge amounts of money.